Well, it just keeps getting more difficult. This may be the last video. I'm not sure when I can have anything work ever. My generator's dead, which I'm sad to use it. My solar power's out, which is what I should be using. I don't have a vehicle to get the generator to town to tune it up. I have a guy supposedly delivering something that it's taken 3 weeks to wait for him to do it. He was going to come yesterday. He didn't come. I don't really trust the guy much anyway, and I need people I can trust. It is cool, the idea of getting deliveries. That's what the Armisters do. They don't own their own vehicles, but they have relationships with people they can trust. I don't have that, and town is too far away to carry something really heavy. It takes 5 hours to walk there and back and do anything, so that's a long walk, and I have to carry everything with me that I want. So I don't know what's going to happen next, but it's pretty fucked up, and yeah, I'm screwed.